Saloni and I work with Smart Reporting R&D team. In this video, we will be understanding the drill through feature functionality. Drill through allows us to pass filter value from one report to another and get lot more details by clicking on hyperlinks. It also allows us to analyze high level data through parent report and detailed data through child report in one go. So let's create a drill through report for better understanding. Creating drill through report requires bit of prior planning. In this example, we will monitor change request by its status and priority, and when I click on number hyperlink, I want it to take me to the details of the change request. For this, we will create a child report first and then parent report. This is the report wherein I have already added all the necessary details of change request. I will now save this change request as change detail drill child report and create a parent report. To create new report, navigate to create report option. Since my requirement is to monitor change request by its status and priority, so I'll select change request status, number of changes in column section and assign support company and priority in rows section. As soon as I select analysis style as drill through, it adds one more tab on the top bar called as related reports. Navigate to this tab and search for our child report, that is change detail drill child report. Drag it to the drill through section. On the right hand side panel, select join type as drill through and map all the fields of parent report with the child report. Set hyperlink field as number of changes. If you want child report to be open up in a pop-up window, then select pop-up new hyperlink checkbox. Let's update it and check out the output. Okay, so if we click on number of incident, it takes us to our child report, that is details of the corresponding changes. Drill through is a very powerful feature to analyze good snapshot of data in one go and of course reduces manual efforts. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, watch all the smart reporting videos.